Stop wasting money on a plasma cutter that can't handle the job. Whether you're cutting sheet metal in your home garage or tackling heavy fabrication work, picking the wrong machine means wasted metal, frustrating arc starts, and cuts that need serious cleanup afterward. Today, we're breaking down the best plasma cutter machine options you can find on Amazon right now, based on real cutting power, build quality, and what actual buyers are saying after using them. We dug through the specs and the reviews and narrowed it down to 3 machines that are genuinely worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around, because pick number 2 might completely change what you thought you needed for your shop. Let's get into it. First up is the Mellcom Cut 50 Plasma Cutter, a dual-voltage machine built for garage warriors and hobbyists who need reliable, no-fuss performance. It runs on both 110 and 220, and the digital display automatically detects your input power, so there's no guesswork. The Pilot Arc non-touch technology means clean starts, even on rusty or painted metal, and the lightweight body makes it easy to carry between projects. Pros: lightweight and portable design, dual voltage flexibility, strong Pilot Arc performance on rough surfaces, and a simple control panel beginners can pick up fast. Cons: cut thickness tops out around 3/8 of an inch, so it fits lighter projects better than heavy structural steelwork. One customer admitted they were skeptical going in, but ended up satisfied since the machine handled their project without issues and felt lightweight and easy to run, even with no professional welding background. Next is the PUWU 6-in-1 welding and plasma cutter combo, built for anyone who wants serious versatility from a single machine. Beyond plasma cutting, it handles gas MIG, gasless MIG, high-frequency TIG, and stick welding.
And it's spool gun compatible for aluminum work too. You get 200 amps of welding power and 50 amps of cutting power with dual voltage support for both 110 and 220 outlets. Pros: incredible versatility with 6 functions in one unit. A synergic mode that auto-adjusts settings for beginners, a manual mode for experienced users who want full control, and solid aluminum welding capability. Cons: with this many functions packed into one machine, the learning curve is steeper than a dedicated plasma cutter, so new users should expect to spend real time with the manual. Buyers tackling mixed metal projects like not needing separate machines anymore. Rounding out our list is the YesWelder Cut 65 DS Pro, a dedicated 65-amp plasma cutter built for both home DIY use and light professional jobs. It uses a blowback, non-high-frequency start, which means it won't interfere with nearby electronics, and it delivers clean cuts up to 5/8 of an inch thick. The digital display and dual voltage support make it simple to set up on either 110-volt or 220-volt power. Pros: ETL certified for safety, minimal slag left behind on rough or painted metal, an ideal thickness range for most home fabrication work, and a stable non-HF arc start. Cons: at 65 amps, it's more machine than absolute beginners doing light craft work may actually need for small, occasional projects. Reviewers who use it for shop projects highlight how portable and dependable it stays, even after repeated regular use. So there you have it, 3 of the best plasma cutter machines on Amazon right now, each built for a different kind of shop and skill level. Whether you want something lightweight and simple, a do-it-all combo machine, or a dedicated cutter with serious clean-cut power, one of these 3 should fit your next project. All 3 links are down in the description below, so go check them out and compare specs before you decide. If this video helped you find the right plasma cutter, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tool reviews, and share this with anyone tackling a metal fabrication project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.